our Malteser cheesecake video. So today we're going to have a go at making 3 different types of pizzas. So Taylah, what's the first one going to be?
Our first one is going to be a wrap pizza, then we've got a pastry one, and then we have got just a pizza base mix.
All you have to do is add
100 ml of water.
It has to be lukewarm. So what we're going to do is we're going to do this one first because we have to let it rest for like 10 to 15 minutes. So we'll make the base, we'll put it on the side, and then we'll show you the other pizzas. So you have to pour the mixture into a bowl. Like this.
Then we're going to add our water.
So it's 100 millilitres, isn't it?
Yes. And then with a spoon, you are going to mix it.
We're trying to get it all together, aren't we?
Yeah.
So it all sticks together. So we've got some flour, some spare flour in a little bowl here. So we've mixed it around with a fork, it's all gathering together, isn't it? So now I'm just going to flour the base of the chopping board, and then we're going to get that mixture out. That's it. If it's quite sticky, all you need to do
Add,
yeah, Taylah, you were saying it?
add flour.
Add more flour. There you go. So it's going to knead it. Just let me test that off. It's a bit sticky, isn't it? So, what did we forget to tell them? What must you do before you start cooking?
Set your oven to
200
200
degrees. Yeah, so our oven's on behind us. And what's another thing we forgot to tell them? What must you do? You must wash
your hands.
Yeah, so we washed our hands already before we did this. So we were all prepared. So, here we are. This looks perfect. So what you've done, so now it's into a nice ball. So you need to now roll with a rolling pin. You need to roll the mixture out into like a pizza face, isn't it?
Oh.
That's alright.
Can you flour the rolling
Yeah,
pin?
just flour the rolling pin. Like this, there you go. So we need to make it into like a circle.
Yeah, I'm going to roll it up and into the side.
Yeah, so it goes like this. Perfect. Keep popping it around like this. Into a nice pizza shape. Doesn't have to be a perfect pizza shape, does it?
I'm going to go with mine.
Yeah, you can fix it. And then flip it over. Look. Make sure you put lots of flour on your rolling pin, then it won't stick. Perfect. Then, once it's in a circle pizza shape, you're going to get your pizza tray and you're going to transfer it onto your pizza tray like this. And what do we do, Tay? So we need to fold it in a little bit, don't we?
Yes, to make the crust.
To make the crust. So we're just going to fold it in a little bit. Just a little bit. Lovely, and that makes the crust. And you could just put a little bit of the pizza. Fabulous, so I'm going to put that over here. Right then, Taylah, what we're going to do next?
I think I want to do the pizza.
Pastry. So I'm just going to wash my hands.
Okay,
So what do you have to do?
So, we have already rolled our pastry out, nice and thin on a base.
Put it underneath it.
Non-grease paper.
Yep, greaseproof paper.
And make sure your pastry is a bit bigger than your pan.
So this is puff pastry we thought. You can either get pre-rolled or roll yourself. So you just roll it out into your pan. And we've made it a bit bigger so then we can fold.
To make the crust.
Go on then. Fold it in to make the crust, that's it. So if we fold it in like this, then it looks like a lovely, lovely crust. Okay?
How do I try to
So to make the pizza base sauce, we have used some chopped tomatoes and some
tomato puree.
So we've popped it in a bowl and then we've just mixed it together. And this makes your base for your pizza. So what you have to do next, Taylah, is what?
Spoon it and then spread it.
So this is a whole tin of chopped tomatoes.
And then a little bit of tomato puree.
A little bit of tomato puree, you just need to spread it around.
The reason we add tomato puree is just to make it a little thicker and make it hold its shape.
Yeah. Fabulous. Right, next, what do we do, Tay?
We are going to be adding our toppings. So what we have got is some ham, some sweet corn, and some pepperoni. You can have any toppings you like. So we are just going to put our toppings on our pizza now.
Should I get them off for you?
Just
You pick them
I'm
up.
going to do some sweet corn.
You're gonna, yeah.
Just put them.
Okay, once you've done that, you put some ham on there as well. We just rip the ham, just tear it, and then just pop it on. Okay, fabulous.
And now, last but not least, we need to add our cheese.
We need some grated cheese, so you can, if you're grating it, make sure you ask an adult to help you because it is actually quite sharp. We've bought pre-grated cheese just because
It's quicker,
quicker and easier, isn't it? So that is the first pizza.
And then, last but not least, we're going to do our wacky pizza.
So that should take about 20 minutes to cook in the oven. So this is a really quick pizza, this wrap pizza. This is what we use when we're really busy. We've had a long day at school and we've got lots of clubs to go to anyway. So all you need is a wrap. So you're going to treat your wrap as the pizza base. You're going to put some
Tomato puree, no, tomato sauce back in
Yeah.
there.
spread it in your Spread it all the way to the edges. This one doesn't actually take very long to cook. It takes about 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. You just need to wait for it to go golden
Around the sides.
just around the outsides. And then before you cut it up, I would just give it, I don't know, 5 minutes just to rest. So it's easier to cut up. So again, we're going to put pepperoni.
Ham and sweet corn.
This is your favourite, isn't it? On this one. Sweet corn. And
You can choose it.
then some cheese. Like this. Perfect. So we'll pop that in the oven. So you gave us a little wave. He's a cheeky monkey. So this one here has been resting on the side. So we're going to bring it back and we're going to do exactly the same. So what we're going to do?
We are going to make
So this time we're going to make it, the mixture. So all we did was open up some tin tomatoes, pop them in a bowl, squeeze some tomato puree, and then give it a good old mix. Thank you.
and now we need to put it onto
Scoop
our
it onto our pizza base, like so. Oh, that's enough. Now spread it round. So this one will take a bit longer to cook because you have to cook the base as well. So what we're going to do we're going to put these in the oven in a minute. And then we're going to come back in a bit and we're going to show you what they look like. Pepperoni. Yeah, you can do that one. From here. Just put a sweet corn in the middle.
Yeah, that's what I wanted, the sweet one in the middle.
And then we'll put some
cheese. I love cheese.
They're so easy to make, aren't they?
Yep.
We love making pizzas.
It's my favourite.
Which one's your favourite one?
Probably wrap pizza.
The wrap pizza. Quick and easy, isn't it?
Toasted pizza is a little hard to eat for me.
Right, so we're going to pop these in the oven and we'll come and show you the end result in a bit.